Hey, this is Joshua again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Choice Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this beautiful 2016 Honda Pilot EXL. This all-wheel drive SUV comes with a 3.5-liter V6 VTEC engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission with driver-selectable modes. You get 18 miles per gallon in the city, 26 miles per gallon on the highway, front and rear anti-roll bars with gas pressurized shock absorbers, 3 12-volt DC power outlets, HomeLink garage door transmitter, heated leathered seats, power rear liftgate, ABS and driveline traction control, Honda lane watch right side camera and backup camera, third row seating with rear AC, radio with aux and USB input, Bluetooth connectivity and Sirius XM connectivity, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.